Hey Jim, what are you doing?
Hey, I'm just applying a little plasma coat to the hood of this car.
That's a plasma coat. I really like that. That's unique. That's the one that's like a ceramic, but it's in a gel form.
Yes, I think it's the only ceramic coating out there that's in a gel.
So you can apply it kind of like a traditional wax.
Absolutely.
And guys love that.
Yes.
Well, you know what? I'm here with Jim Lefebvre in the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we just wanted to share with you that we're coming to his shop in Chicago, Illinois. We're bringing our Autogeeks Roadshow class to Jim's shop, and that's going to be Friday, October 19th and Saturday, October 20th. And are you excited? I'm excited.
Awesome. I think you'll love Chicago.
You know, I've been there a few times, but I got to admit, I've never actually detailed any cars there, so this will be a first for me in that aspect.
Great, I'll fill up the place full of cars for you to detail.
Yeah, give me some really good fun cars to detail. Hey, this is really what it's all about though. It's Autogeeks Roadshow class, and that's where we take the 3-day class we teach here, which is the most hands-on class, as I like to say, on planet Earth, and we take it on the road and take it to cool shops like Jim's. And it's a 2-day class, and we focus mostly on paint polishing. But here's the cool deal. You get to use all the cool tools and all the cool products and pads and learn all the techniques that are related to creating that show car finish. And of course, we're going to be showcasing Dr. Beasley's products.
Hey, and our products are really fun to use, and if anyone has any questions, I'll be there to answer them.
And who better to get information but the guy that makes the products? You know, something I want to share about the Roadshow classes. A lot of people think these are for detailers, and of course they're for detailers if you're just starting out or you've been doing this for a while, but 60% of the people that come to our classes are enthusiasts, people that own cool cars, whether they're classic, street rods, or new, and they just want to learn how to use all the cool tools, all the pads, all the products to create that show car finish and do it themselves. The classes are set up to be 1 day or 2 day. You can sign up for 1 day or both days. The topics and the tools change on both days. So for the full experience, sign up for both days. But if it's only in your budget to attend 1 day, look at the tools and the topics and sign up for that day. The classes always sell out. And here's the deal. If you sign up 30 days before the date of the class, you're going to get a $100 store credit to spend on Autogeek.com. If you sign up for both days, 30 days before the date of the class, you're going to get a $200 store credit. So you know you want to go, so sign up early.
Hey Mike, thanks for inviting me down here today. We're looking forward to hosting you October 19th and 20th up in Chicago.
And I'm looking forward to coming to Chicago and working with you in your shop. So mark your calendars, clear your schedules, and make plans to sign up for our Roadshow class in Chicago. And again, the dates are Friday, October 19th, Saturday, October 20th. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's all hands-on. There's no sitting in chairs. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to make new friends. It's going to be a ton of fun, Jim. So tell you what, let's finish putting the plasma coat on this car. And you know the beach is just right down the road here in sunny Stuart, Florida?
Awesome. Let's hurry up. You apply, I'll wipe.
You got it.